Is your Toyota Corolla key fob not working? It's a common problem, often due to a dead CR2032 battery. Symptoms include failure to lock or unlock doors, a non-responsive panic button, or a dim or non-existent LED light. This video will guide you through replacing the battery, a simple DIY task for 2010s 2020s Corolla models. First, confirm it's not a broader issue. Toyota issued a recall for some 2020-2022 models regarding premature battery drain due to faulty wiring. Check with your dealership for a free diagnostic if your Corolla falls within this range. If not, let's proceed with the battery replacement. Replacing the CR2032 battery is straightforward. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 battery available at most stores for $5 to $10, and optionally a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Locate the seam on your key fob. Some models have a small notch or release button. Gently pry it open using the screwdriver or pry tool. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up towards the circuit board. Ensure the contacts are clean. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the buttons to ensure they work. If it still doesn't work, you might need to reprogram the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds near the vehicle, or consult a Toyota dealership.